headlight restore. I bought this product here. I'm not sure if the other ones are better or worse, but I just removed this from my car. Look at this, how yellow it is, right? It's like very old. And I just restored this thing. Look at that. It is incredible. And I didn't finish yet because I need to finish both and then apply the base coat wipe and sealing wipe. I think this is just a clear coat, right? It puts a clear coat in here. So let's restore this together. It's gonna take nothing but 3 minutes or 5. So I'm gonna put this here. So first things first, we start with this side here, which is green. And this is, they say lubricant is just water. So if you do like this, oh, we can see yellow stuff coming out. Look. So you do, you make horizontal movements, applying. Wow, look at the yellow stuff. Wow. I'm removing the age right now. Let's do that side in a little bit. And let's put this here. So I'm restoring. I have videos of Monica. It is my Mitsubishi Eclipse. I paid 500 bucks. The car drives, runs, and it's beautiful. And of course, there's a lot of stuff to do. Like those lanes, they were ugly. It took me forever to remove them from the car because it's so stupid. It is. You need to remove. You can remove the bumper because there is a screw under the lanes, and you can remove the lanes because you can take the bumper. It's like, geez, it's crazy. Okay, so it's getting better already. Now we are going to step 2. So you can see the number here, right? 2. This side was 1. I think you can still see the 1. And guy here, the clarifying compound, and they say to put in a How does it look? I waited probably 20 minutes and wait for this to dry, and they both look good. I actually did the process twice, and I can see lots of little scratches. They give this glove, and mine was pretty dirty, so I decided to wear theirs. So there's a base coat and a sealing wipe. So let's use the base coat first. let's do this. We gotta use them both lamps, and ooh, looks shiny. And let's do the other one also. Bubbles. If it was supposed to be here or not, but dries, then apply the sealing wipe. Wow, they look awesome. Look at that. Dude, they were ugly. I almost bought new ones online, and they're not very expensive, but you know, 160 bucks at least. And I don't know, I just decided to try this. I had bought those anyway, and I tried, but I did it wrong. So I used this thing as a liquid. So I used this and sand paper all together. And apparently this is the thing. I don't know what this is, but I'm gonna save it. Okay, seems to be dry. So let's open the sealing wipe. Doesn't smell like anything. I'm going to open it and do like this. There you go. Look at that. This you need to be sure you coat everywhere. It's like just a wipe. Don't touch your hands there. And let's do the other one. So be sure that you don't remove the product that you with your hands. And looks awesome. Just to be clear, I do not work for these people. I've never done this before, and I have no intent on selling that kit. So that said, I'm just showing two things: how it works and the progress on my Mitsubishi clips. Wow. Wow. I am very happy with my 10 bucks investment. Wow. Jeez, I have new lens. That's it. So now you grab everything, put it inside the glove, trash it, and boom, you have new lens. 24 hours and you can put in your car. Cool. Thanks for watching. Peace.
You can do it, and you will get there. You can do it.